The goal of this video is to promote understanding of why the use of proper wiping technique is important in clean rooms and other critical environments. When cleaning contamination that you cannot see, technique is the only way to know if you've covered the area in question. We will demonstrate unidirectional, slightly overlapping strokes on flat surfaces that are cleaned by hand. We will also show and discuss commonly used incorrect wiping methods. Finally, we'll show how to address hard to clean areas such as door and window frames, door handles, light switches, exit signs, along with other hard to reach areas. So let's get started. First thing, we're going to address improper cleaning. Unfortunately, even after we've been out to train, what we tend to see at end users is somebody taking a wipe out of a pouch, laying that wipe out on the surface, wiping in a circular pattern, which looks very much like they are cleaning. The problem with that is they're not removing contaminants from the surface, they're just moving those same contaminants from this position to this position. So from that point, we've now addressed improper cleaning. The key to contaminant removal is the use of fresh surface of the wipe for each pass. This is accomplished by quarter folding the wipe, which gives an operator 4 surfaces per wipe. Some may ask, why can't I use all 8 surfaces? The answer is that's possible, but not likely to happen correctly due to human nature and distractions that occur in a clean room. If you lose your place while cleaning and no longer know which side of the wipe has been used, best practice would be to start with a fresh wipe. Now, the proper way to quarter fold a wipe is to remove the wipe from the pouch, reseal that pouch properly so the other wipers don't dry out, unfold the wiper totally so that you have a flat wiper, fold it from front to back, take that wiper, fold it again from side to side, and place it on the surface to be cleaned. When holding a quarter folded wipe, the open unfolded edges should be kept away from the surface being cleaned. Only the folded edges and the face of the wipe should touch the surface. Folded edges are less likely to have loose particles or fibers. This is why those edges are preferred over the open edges of the wipe. When wiping a flat surface, make sure that you make parallel passes, lifting at the end. Be sure that you refold and get a new fresh surface for each pass. After the second pass, you would refold to get 2 new surfaces for your third pass and your fourth pass. This wiper is now considered consumed, and you should continue the process with a new fresh wipe. Some surfaces in a clean room do not have a definitive beginning and end. As an example, we're showing you this technique on this flat surface, but you can imagine if you had a tank or a round surface in your clean room, you still want to lift at the end of the stroke. Now we're going to take a look at the best practice for wiping irregular surfaces by hand in clean rooms. We understand that there are other irregular surfaces not addressed in this video. The key to addressing irregular surfaces is making good surface contact. When cleaning an irregular surface, be sure that you clean the wall a few inches around that surface so that the person coming behind you and cleaning the wall doesn't have to be that specific and get close to that surface. And as always, be sure to follow your site's SOPs. Use of proper wiping techniques is critical for removing contamination from surfaces. Contact your local Contec representative for additional information and literature regarding this subject.